Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and I am going to present my first Tkinter application. Here I have created my very first sorting simulator with three kind of sorts: bubble sort, quick sort, cell sort. Now this is a checkpoint where you can select which kind of sorting you want to select. For instance, let's select bubble sort first, and these are the input number button. If you click the input numbers, then 10 random numbers will be generated and inputted automatically. Now you just click, you can see that these are the 10 random numbers which are creating. Now if you want to see the bubble sorting simulation, you just have to click on start sorting button. Now if you want to change any of the options above, you can change it, but let's go for bubble sort and we click on start sorting. Now when we click on start sorting, the Matplot Tkinter screen will emerge and will be displaying the 10 input values on the y-axis and the index at which they are present on the x-axis. The graphs are changing according to bubble sort algorithm. Though I have put it some low speed so that it can be visualized very easily on Matplot graph. Let's see how much time it will take. Well, bubble sort is going and square, so it will go. Finally, it is done. Okay, so you can see the graph is going up, right? So let's see how the quick sort will work. Okay, you just reload it. Let's just input it. If you want to cross, you can just delete it, but let's see. Start sorting, and you can see this quick sort, and here the quick sort is very fast. You can see that it is already done. Very good. So the graphs, if you want to compare these graphs, how can I just this is something, yeah. So this is about, let's arrange it so that okay, now they both can be visualized side by side. So, bubble sort graph and quick sort graph, you can see they both are arranged in increasing order, but bubble sort takes much more time as compared to quick sort. Let's go for cell sort and just take any other numbers. Okay, let's generate any other number. Fine, and start sorting. We can say you can see the sorting shall to be implemented values, how the algorithm is running is showing in backend. Now this is also a little much faster than bubble sort. Okay, well, it's done. So the three kind of sorts can be visualized at the same time in three different graphs. Well, you can visualize it side by side. Let's arrange it. Okay, the graphs are a little big for 10 numbers to be arranged. Somewhat difficulties there. Okay, so you can see the graph here. Let's arrange. Let's just brush it. Okay, it's okay. Okay, yes. Okay, so you can see the graph here of cell sort is going up, quick sort, bubble sort, but this bubble sort take a longer time as compared to cell sort, and cell sort take a longer time as compared to quick sort. And we also know the time complexity of all these three sorts. Now let's just visualize its code, how it's working. Okay, I will be explaining this code line by line, or giving you an overview what functions are doing. So the code is containing Tkinter library as well as Matplot lib library and the figure canvas. These three and the DataFrame. These four are the important thing which we have to consider. Now what this data frame is doing, let's see. When we just start the application, the sorting frame works, and it initializes with a self object, bubble sort, quick sort, and shell sort. These three are the buttons that we have presented here on here: quick sort, bubble sort, shell sort. And this is following a grid system. You can see the row config 5, these are 5, width and height, these two are the text height of select sort. Similarly, this is an index, embed, bubble, quick, shell, and it is following the index. You can see 0 index, 1 index, 2 index of radio button. Let's see the main graphs. So this this function, generate function, generates 10 random numbers. You can see 10 random numbers between 0 to 100. As you are able to see this input number, these are generating 10 numbers between 0 to 100. It will never cross values above 100. Sorted. Now this sorted function works when you click on start sorting. If you click on start sorting button, then sorted option, this function will start working. Now when this is a shell, now you can see this is a shell sort function. This is a shell sort function, and what it is here, it shall to be implemented. This is printing in console. Here we can see shell to be implemented. Then arrays. Then I have used DataFrame. DataFrames converts the rank and values. The ranks are x-axis and the values are y-axis. It is generally a DataFrame x-axis y-axis level which we are going to implement. And DFrame, the plot figure. The plot figure creates a Tkinter plot. Now here these are just inbuilt function, add subplot, then figure canvas. The figure canvas is you have created a Tkinter. This Tkinter is a frame which opens in main root, and then you just fix a canvas to inside this Tkinter main loop. Now here I have declared kind bar, legend true, x-axis and color red. Now you can see when sorting is started, if you just see when sorting is started, a red color is showing up. So this is due to this red option which is here. Now this is a basic shell sort algorithm which is written with Tkinter Matplot lib, and at the end when you see the finalized version was in blue color. Now that is because I had deleted this red color from here in this plot, so the final version is shown in blue color. As you can see, the final version here is in blue color when it's all done. So the same philosophy is used with bubble sort. Here the same thing is, just algorithm is changed. Now you can see the algorithm is going for bubble sort here, and here algorithm was for shell sort. You can see this is the starting of shell sort, and that is in here this is the starting of bubble sort. Now after this bubble sort, the same thing is there. Now here you can see time sleep 0.1. Now I have implemented this here because I want you to see how things are changes slowly in the graph. So I just make time sleep 0.1, in which function stop at this position, so that you can see the changes, and then after 0.1 second it again starts, the loop starts. You can say it's inside the loop, it's like this for loop, this time sleep button, and this root dot quit, and this is for changing the canvas figure. Basically these two commands are for changing the canvas figure, these two commands. Okay, let's bring this. Now here these ranker values, same things. The blue color, the red color argument is deleted from here, so that it uses default blue color of Tkinter, Matplot. Here the quick sort is called out, quick to be implemented. Here I think you can see shall to be implemented, quick to be implemented, and here you can see the quick to be implemented, it runs only this many loops, but for shall to be implemented you can see it runs a greater number of loops than quick. And for bubble sort, it's oh my god, it runs just more than how. Let's see this, it's running more. The last, you can see, if you just see it very clearly, something is missing. No, everything is perfect here. Well, so bubble sort is just running more because it is n square. It's n square. So here you can see it's n square. Quick sort is very small, and cell sort is in between these two. Okay, so this is only what I have to demonstrate here. The code source will be available either in description list or will be sent. These quick sorts, these are just the subparts of the quick sort function which we usually implement. Quick sort and the partition function, and that's it. Yeah, main loop, sorting.main loop. I am just running main function from here inside main room. I am running sorting.main loop, and sorting.main loop means this class main loop integrate. So thank you for listening me with patience. In the next version I will try to implement this thing, that yes, the different colors are shown, but that's good. The visualization is clearly seen in this way too. So thank you very much.